Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing? Well, I hope you are doing well and safe. Today, I'm here with my son. We are walking around this canal because we are quite early for our business meetup. So we decided to walk while waiting for the right time. Okay, I'll show you where I'm at the moment. So, this is the canal that I'm talking about. There, and it goes through the town center. So that's my son, Kirsten. Say hi.
Hello.
What can you say about today?
It's a good day, good weather, not raining.
Yeah.
A bit of a breeze.
Correct.
Oh, is it starting?
Is it started raining? Oh no. So today is a lovely day. It's not really sunny.
Oh no, they're the little...
It is a cloudy day, but it's still a good day. Good day to walk around. Kasi from the past few days, it was raining here. So ayun po. So today we have our business meet-up with our team, Ireland, headed by Coach Nelson Mamaril. So he is coming all the way from Sligo. And we are going to have some fun and some learnings and growing. Yeah. So the reason why we are earlier than the time that we supposed to be there, because we decided to get a lift from my husband, since his way is still the same. His way to work is nearly the same as our way. So we decided to come with him, because if we are not going to get a lift, what will happen is we are going to take a bus and a luwas, and it will take us 1.5 hours, and it's nearly the same. It's if we woke up around, if we left maybe 8, because you'll never know what time the bus will arrive or the luwas. So it's better to be earlier than late. Yes. So we are very grateful, guys. Yes, Kirsten, because we have a community that supports each other's journey, right? What can you say about the community in our business?
What?
We are helping, guys, each other. So don't be afraid to try this business. Even you don't have any technical skills or business experience, because most of us here doesn't have any of those. But we are progressing, we are moving forward, because we have this training which is easy to follow, and we have a supportive business community that supports each other to be successful in our business. Right, Kirsten?
Yes, that's very
Yes. So so that's it for today, guys. We are just really grateful.
No, you forgot where.
Oh yes, today is Thursday, guys. Okay, just invite them.
Today is Thursday. It's our webinar, one of our webinar days.
Yes.
If you want to know more about this business,
Correct.
just follow us or register in the links
Yes.
that we each have.
Yours is?
KirstenAmpelocchio.com.
And mine is RoselleAmpelocchio.com. And guys, if you don't know where to look for the webinar replay, kindly check your inbox.
Or spam junk folder, because it can go there sometimes.
Yes. So there will be a link to watch the live webinar as well. So to see real people with real results like us. And what else? Are you excited to be in this business meetup, Kirsten?
Yeah. After a year.
It's our first time. No, it's our first time to meet some of our business partners. So that's quite exciting. And for those who are watching us right now, thank you very much for your support. And for those who are going to watch the replay as well, you can kindly comment below where you are tuning in from. And hope you are having a lovely Thursday.
This nice Thursday.
Yes, so look at this very quiet day, cloudy day. Look, but the road is quite busy earlier because
Everyone going to work.
everyone is going to work. And I'm just grateful I don't need to take a bus anymore or walk to my workplace because I'm already retired for those. So I am just doing this business anytime, anywhere, working from home or while traveling, and spending time with the family. So that's it for today. So don't forget, webinar day tonight. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. God bless. Bye.